Yeah. பொன்னியின் செல்வன் நல்லா போயிட்டு இருக்கு. பொன்னியின் செல்வன் வந்து இப்ப மத்திய பிரதேஷ் போக வேண்டியது, பட் கோவிட் சிச்சுவேஷனால அங்க பெர்மிஷன் கிடைக்கல. So probably சென்னை இல்லாட்டி ஹைதராபாத்ல will start shooting. Rashmika, what did Bachchan sir say the first day? What did you talk to him?
Oh, the first day I think I was just there for the cues, and he and we just spoke about very random things. I was like, favorite food, uh, just random things, but he's not very sweet.
Super.
Yeah. Someone's saying, speak in Kannada, sir. You know Kannada?
Kannada kuda maatadu. You speak in Kannada 2-3 words, they'll be happy.
Heli. You matadi.
So people are asking about Kaidi 2. We are planning, let's see, probably year end or early next year we might plan the film. Yeah. Lokesh te kelenga. Ask Lokesh. They're all asking about Kaidi 2 for my film. Part 2 of Kaidi they're asking.
Arey, cool, yeah. Kaidi 2, planning.
Rashmika, they're asking you to tell about Surya now.
What do I say?
You haven't met him yet. No, you haven't met him yet.
I think in an award function, I just had a glance. I look at him and say, hi, sir. But nothing else. So, yeah. One day I get to work with sir. Let's see.
People were asking some scenes in the film you were looking dull. So I told them you had dengue and you still worked.
I know, I was looking at this and I was like, Mummy, I'm almost dying in this. You remember, sir, that day that I would just give a focus and I'd just fall off.
Yeah.
I
know. You really struggled through. Then only we sent you back. I said, you please go back home. You get well and come back.
I'm thinking if you hadn't sent me back, no, it would have been so bad.
You were. And the people are asking about Gada, my bodyguard. So he's called Giant Zanjeer. WWF, one of the fighters. Now he is in America. We have given his tag in Instagram also. You can see. And director I think Bhagiraj did a great job handling all these people. So many people are new people who never come in front of camera. But the way he handled everybody, they made sure each character was complete, was very good.
So what was your favorite part in the film?
Sorry?
What was your favorite part in the film?
Oh, me. For me, I think the fight with Michael was one of the favorite parts. That emotion between, when people turn against Sultan and how everybody reacts.
Right. Okay. And what was the most difficult to shoot? Tell us that.
Sorry?
Which was the most difficult to
Most difficult.
For me, difficult part, I think shooting climax. Because we were stuck in between COVID and we had to shoot with almost 600 people. So that was really challenging to handle everybody. Rashmika will come back, I think. Some problem.
Yeah, I'm back. Sorry.
Yeah, Vivek Mervin gave us great songs. And the படத்துல வந்து பாட்டு வரும்போது படம் ஸ்லோ ஆகாம அந்த படம் இன்னும் ஃபாஸ்டா போச்சுன்னா அதுக்கு மெயின் the songs are a big reason. So I think I loved all the songs in the film. And again, Yuvan Shankar Raja's BGM became a big talking point of the film. His background score was like epic when you watched it. Hi, Catherine. What is the finger challenge?
Everyone is saying hi.
Yeah. Yuvan Shankar Raja, I think we had a lot of difficult situation. COVID we had to do the background score and Vivek Mervin was still working on the songs. We had to bring the film on time. April 2nd release ஆகணும். So then we asked Yuval and he actually made it work. What is the finger challenge, Rashmika? Everybody is asking finger challenge. How to do that?
What I was telling, what I was teaching, remember this?
Yeah.
Oh
How is that?
God. So
Like-
one finger.
Okay. Is that right?
Try. It should go fast.
Amma. Everything is opening. No. I'm not getting it. Sixth sense will work for the setting. Sixth part of the brain has to work for this.
Oh God. So this is the finger challenge which I was telling Bakirat sir about.
Right. So everybody is asking that. People are saying, leave Telugu and come to Tamil.
You like audience.
We should have had a twin sister, yeah. It would have been easier.
Huh?
We should have had a twin sister, I'm saying. Sri Parvati, thank you. Thoda enakku romba pudicha padam. I love that film. Yeah. Please talk in Hindi. Rashmika, you know Hindi? I don't know Hindi.
हाँ जी मुझे पता है, लेकिन कुछ और प्रैक्टिस होना चाहिए.
But you know Tamil பேசுங்க. எல்லாருக்கும் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும்.
தமிழ்ல கூட பேச முடியுங்க. கொஞ்சம்
கொஞ்சம் practice மட்டும் வேணும்.
இப்போ வந்து I think in the same sentence I add 4 languages and I
Mixed up.
yeah. My God, I need to stop speaking multiple languages at the same time.
I know it's very difficult. At Thoda we used to shoot one shot in Telugu, one shot in Tamil.
Oh God, must have been so confusing, na?
Very, very difficult. I wonder how they did the multilingual, like 3 languages.
Oh.
மலையாளம் தெரியாது, சாரி, மலையாளம் கத்துக்கல. Marathi also they're asking. Gujarati, Marathi, romba kashtam. We can't manage Gujarati and Marathi.
Ippo, we are trying to speak it, so don't ask us to speak. Please. Give us 2 more years. We'll come back to that.
Actually, I watched our film in Andhra also. I went to theatres in Andhra and we saw the reaction was superb.
Oh, cool. I wanted to do the theatre.
Theatre response, fantastic. I should see the people enjoying, especially the night fight is there, that fight where people get up after the blood is spilled.
Yeah.
That scene was hilarious. Theatre, very.
It's hilarious.
So people are asking when I'm going to do a film with Anna. So we are still planning. We're waiting for a good team or a good script to do that. So I think probably Rashmika will also do that film. Let's see.
No, you and Sir get. I'll be in the front row putting whistle and dance. Okay.
We'll see. Once the nice script falls into place, we'll do it for sure.
I'll be waiting.
I always wonder, when we act in movies, it should not be brothers, it should be opposite characters. It will be more interesting.
Yeah. As in, brothers, no, you should be opposite characters. Now the question: who will play the villain? Who will play the hero? Now, what the story between these two will be? Easy, think about it. Oh my God.
We'll see. Something will come up.
இப்போதான் எல்லாரும் கால் பண்ணாங்க. What a
இதை சொல்றேன்.
great
எல்லாரும் ஹாய் தான் சொல்றாங்க. பிரசாந்த் வர்மா ஹாய்.
Hi, எல்லாரும்.
Everybody is only saying hi. If you have some questions, it will be nice to talk here. It will be more interesting.
Great.
What's your next movie? How many movies are you doing right now?
4, sir.
What all is
Yeah.
that? Pushpa, Goodbye.
Mission Majnu and Miku Johar.
Wow. I think
Okay, wait, I'll ask you one question. Give us one interesting thing about your next film. Reveal something.
my next film is Maniratnam sir's film. No, it's Ponniyin Selvan. So it's
Huh?
an epic film. It's a two-part film, part 1 and part 2. It is actually a 5-novel book. I mean, 5-part book, and then now we are making it into a movie. So it's a story which happened 1,000 years back. So it's fiction based on history.
Acha. So you're
And
going to
it's a
shoot.
huge star cast, no? Aishwarya Rai man, Vikram sir, Jayam Ravi, Jairam sir, myself, huge star cast. Yeah. Sharat Kumar sir, many.
So you
So
both of it at the same time.
Shobita is doing this film. Lot of people. Lot of good actors. Raman sir's music is kick-ass in the film.
Waiting. How much have you finished it? Like how much?
70% is over. 70% is over.
So you'll be releasing this.
I don't know. The COVID situation is delaying the film. We were hoping it can come for next Sankranti Pongal, Jan.
Oh, cool.
That film is one huge film. No? Tamil industry has been wanting to make that novel into a film for the last 60 years. And now it's actually happening.
Oh my! Congratulations. That's massive.
So, did you always want to act, Rashmika, or you suddenly discovered this?
This somehow just, I think, destiny. It just came to my way. Never thought I could be an actor or would be an actor. So.
But what were you planning to do? What were you planning to do otherwise?
As in, I had options of just carrying off my dad's business back.
Dance
Or,
business?
yeah, or teaching.
Wow. I didn't
Yeah.
know this. You never told me about this.
No, as in, I was doing journalism and psychology and literature. So, because of my degree, I thought I'd just go back to teaching. Took off
I
some.
didn't know this. I didn't know this side of you at all. You don't show this side of you at all.
No. Now I'm just one naughty brat, but before I would actually be quiet and.
So people are asking what is my film after Ponniyin Selvan. So after Ponniyin Selvan, I'm doing one film with Mithran who did Irumbuthilai. And after that, I'm doing one more film with Muthaiya, which my brother is producing. So everybody's saying hello, John, for you. So much love for you.
It's so cute. And I challenge you.
I have the one Tamil speech there asking. From you only they are asking.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Tamil. Ayyo.
Talk about Yogi Babu. Say a few words about Yogi Babu in Tamil.
Why, sir? Why? Okay. No, Tamil, no. But I think with Yogi Babu, sir, the days when we were shooting with him, I think that sketch I was only shooting with Sir, na? So I was in the shoot the whole time. I remember how hard I'd find to not laugh on shot.
Yeah.
Like,
He's
it's something hard for me to not laugh. And like one easy expressions he'll give, he'll be like, just look at us like that, and it's so hilarious. You feel like laughing, but you can't laugh. You're in the shot. Oh God! I think as how much fun it was, I found it equally hard to shoot with him. It's crazy.
People are asking in Tamil. So படம் நடிக்கும்போது எல்லா சீனுமே வந்து ரஷ்மிகாக்கு மேக்ஸிமம் யோகி பாபு கூட தான். ஸோ ஒவ்வொரு சீன்லையும் வந்து சிரிக்காம இருக்கிறது ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருந்துச்சுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு இருந்தாங்க.
ஆமா சார்.
I remember where we shot. No, you remember the place where we shot that small village?
Thindigal.
Yeah, Dindigul. Yeah, Kadavur.
Yeah.
What a beautiful
Amma,
place.
my hardest of my days, of course, my
Hi Samir, thank you. First day for sure hitting the turn. Thank you so much.
hi.
A lot of Hindi fans are here, so people are asking to speak in Hindi.
बताइए क्या I don't think I'll get any more Hindi films after me speaking in Hindi.
But how are you managing the dialogues in Hindi film? You always spoke Hindi well.
No, for me dialogues are very easy. It's just when I have to make a sentence, speak
But
suddenly.
conversation is difficult.
Yeah.
Right. Everybody's saying please ask her to speak in Tamil only. Joni, hi Joni. Thank you.
So I did my first dubbing in Tamil now for an ad. I dubbed in Tamil. My like, this is how hard the language is.
Yeah.
Like,
People are saying please talk in little bit Tamil, little bit Hindi, little bit Kannada. Everybody's here.
எனக்கு like I want to say I really like all these 5 languages. What do I say?
எனக்கு எல்லா லாங்குவேஜும் பிடிச்சிருக்கு. எனக்கு இந்த 5 லாங்குவேஜும் பிடிச்சிருக்கு.
No, each word I want to pick up from one language.
Amma. That I shouldn't ask me. So they're asking about Goodbye movie.
Goodbye.
சூர்யா அண்ணா வந்து இப்ப மதுரையில இருக்காரு, ஷூட்டிங்ல இருக்காரு.
How is the situation, sir? Their COVID situation?
I think I don't know. There are no restrictions here. People are finding it safe only here. I think after the election is over, the campaigning and crowding has reduced. So I think here the situation will get better because there is no more crowding allowed anywhere.
Right.
Better here. Yeah.
Okay. Bombay, there's some sort of a curfew happening.
Okay.
7, 8 can't shoot. Weekends you can't shoot. And on the weekends and in the night. And there's also pretty much a lockdown in the evenings.
They are saying some restrictions will come here, but we haven't confirmed anything yet.
Right.
So.
Hi.
சரி, எல்லாரும் vote போட்டீங்களா? Did everybody vote yesterday? I wanted to know. Youngsters எல்லாரும் vote பண்ணீங்களா இல்ல ஜாலி ஹால் நேம் வீட்ல உட்கார்ந்துட்டீங்களா? I hope everybody voted. Somebody from Kolkata. Hi Harini. அப்பா நல்லா இருக்காங்க. Thank you கார்த்திகேயன். அப்பா நல்லா இருக்காங்க. அப்பா doing fine. அப்பா first dose vaccine போட்டாச்சு. Second dose இனிமே தான் போடணும். Bhavyata, I love you. Thank you. So people are saying Mumbai alone, a lot of cases are there.
Yeah. I've heard so.
And I was, so many people have been following your work from other languages that everybody knows you here. So many people said I came only for Rashmika.
Ayyo.
Full love.
Now this is them just being nice. Them just being nice, that's all.
Yeah, they're very kind. Achu, love from Kerala. Thank you, Achu.
I've been wanting to go live since I think for my birthday.
Okay.
But just with all of that what's happening, I'm just unable to find the time. And finally we got some time. Thank you for getting me live with you. I've been trying to go live
For a long time. Oh, yeah, they've been waiting for it. But so glad you could join also, since both of us could talk to them. So nice. Thank you. So much love for Kaidi movie. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
So what
Thank
was
you.
your thought before Kaidi released? Like, I remember you sitting there and you were just telling me that the Kaidi was releasing tomorrow and all of that. What was your thought?
No, I really enjoyed doing that film. Kaidi was quite an experience because I was working with a completely new crew, and every day, every scene was exciting for us. We were trying to shoot it very differently, not the regular way, and the emotions in the film was very new to me. A prisoner who's come out of the prison after 10 years of jail was quite an experience to enact. I really enjoyed that film, and when the film came out, we were very confident. It came on Diwali. People loved the film, and wherever I go, even I go to North India or wherever I go across, people keep asking when is Kaidi 2 coming. And that's the kind of excitement that film has created. I was very happy that film came to me actually.
Must have been such a new thing, no, for you as an actor, because it's not something you like an actor can do. It's
Not in
such a
that.
different, yeah. Oh God,
Very satisfying film. Very satisfying film.
must have been. That's what.
I think you have to go back to your shot. I think it's
Yes,
almost
sir.
30.
I
Yeah.
am telling them
Thank you.
please to sometime I have to go live. Please let me go off. But
So I should thank everybody for logging in and thank you for all the love and support for Sultan. సుల్తాన్కి నీకు எல்லாரும் கொடுத்த வரவேற்புக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி అందరికీ నా ధన్యవాదాలు చాలా చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ అండి థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ జాయినింగ్ విత్ us థ్యాంక్ యూ లవ్ యూ
thank
ఆల్
you. Yeah.
బీ సేఫ్ టేక్ కేర్
Sorry, sorry.
బాయ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ గైస్